Least common multiple. Find least common multiple of 3, 4 and 8. We'll try to find least common multiple of 3, 4 and 8 using two different methods. So the first method is listing out the multiples, finding the common ones and then selecting the lowest. So let's list the multiples of the numbers 3, 4 and 8. So numbers are 3, 4 and 8 and their multiples are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and so on. Let's write multiples of 4, which are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and so on. How about 8? So 8 times 1, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and so on. So we got the multiples of the number 3, 4 and 8. Now out of these multiples, let's figure out which ones are common. So let's go with the 8 series. So 8 series, this is not there, 16, 24 seems to be a common multiple, right? 24, 24, 24. And then we have 48 should be a common multiple. 24 times 2. But since we didn't go further, we didn't really reach 48. But if you write this list up to 50, you'll get 48 also as a common multiple. Now out of these common multiples, the least of course is 24. And therefore we have our answer. That is the LCM for 3, 4 and 8, these three numbers is 24. So 24 is a multiple of 3, 4 and 8 and it is the lowest multiple of 3, 4 and 8. Now we'll find this answer using repeated division, right? So repeated division is dividing repeatedly these three numbers so that we can factor out all the common factors. The numbers before us are 3, 4 and 8. A number 2 divides into 4 and 8, so let's divide. It cannot divide into 3, so we'll just write 3 as such. And 4 divides in 2 times into 2. 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 4 is 8. Now 3, 2 and 4 we can still factor out 2. So division is factoring out common factors. So 3 we'll write as such. 2 goes 1 time in 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. So now we have all the prime numbers with us. If we multiply all these prime numbers, we get our least common multiple. Let's figure it out. So LCM for us is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 1 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12, and 12 times 2 is 24. So we get our answer. This is a very efficient way of doing. We don't have to list so many numbers and try figuring out which ones are common or which one is the least. Here we exactly get our answer by repeated division. So I hope you appreciate this method. Practice. What you can do is you can take 3 more numbers and then figure out what is the least common multiple. So let me write down question for you. Find least common multiple of these 3 numbers. Numbers are 6, 10 and 12. So use these numbers and find using repeated division. You will find it very efficient and helpful. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.